the plane in here. Nilalagay lang nila yung baggage in here. So, this is our luggage. Thank you. Mag-room tour ako. So, ito yung tawag nila na Isla Daku, yung cottage nila, called Cottage. Parang balcony nila. Ito yung balcony. Tapos malapit lang yung neighbor namin. Yan na siya. So, then meron silang ganito, pag ganito. Upuan, para gusto mo mag-relax. And then, let's go sa room namin. Ito na yung room namin at our bed. May paano sila dito, may pa mosquito net sila dito. Siguro hindi ko alam kung may lamok dito or what. Basta meron sila ganyan. Then ito yung para vanity nila, mirror. Simple lang siya. May malaki siyang pillow, yung chair, TV, flat screen TV, and then let's go to that side. Parang radio, they have radio, and then chair. Yeah, free coffee, Nescafe, and then tea, and then I guess this is their bar. Oh, ganito lang yung tama niya. I guess it's free. So let's go now to our bathroom. So this is our bathroom. Simple lang yung toilet. That's yung toilet niya. And then this side, this is yung parang washroom niya. Okay, guys. So may ano sila, mga free sila ng mga ganito, essentials, and then meron silang, they have bathtub in here, just like that, and they provide us a free sleeper. And ito yung cabinet nila, bathrobe, ito safety bags. And I don't know what it is. It's empty. That's okay. And they have door here. Meron din silang isa pang shower. This is a shower. And this is our neighbor in here. May pabambo kami dito. Pabambo wood. And another exit from the cottage. And then entrance. Okay, that's for the room tour. See you again for the next couple of hours para makapag resort tour tayo dito. So we are taking out Blue Siargao. Yummers, Blue Siargao.
Young, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, and